in his annual house show.
Come in.
Oh. Hi, Rex.
Oh, hello, Charlie. I mean, what did you think of, like doing the show?
Oh, with the tennis thing? That show. That was so fun. Especially when we got them scripts,
Yeah, have you seen my new picture? It says that girl, that choking cat. Yeah, I have a picture of another. Here.
Wow! She's got ducks there! Oh my god.
Come in.
Hi, Rex. Oh, Charlie! Can I have a ride? Giddy up! Nay! Wow!
Yeah, I came with my... Nobody's home! Maybe nobody is home. Comfortable for a nap.
Oh, I rode in. Rex, are you in? Rex, Rex, are you in? I wanted to show you my new footwear. Yo, mama. Hello.
Oh! Man, I need to close this door.
Nice feathers.
Oh, I fell on my ass. My head.
Yo, man. Hey, I've been looking for this picture. Think I'm gonna stick to the joking guy. Huh? What? It's time again. It is the end of the show. End of the show. Wow!